and gentlemen, welcome to the Microsoft Windows 10 Devices Briefing.
There are moments that are about more than technology. They are the moments that shape our history. Great moments of innovation that can change everything. So let's inspire, create new experiences, and new possibilities. Let's empower everyone to go further, to do great things. Changing how we touch, interact, and see the world around us. Because in the end, it's not about the technology. It's about the person who uses it. It's about you and what you can do.
Hello, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining us in this amazing space in New York City, or online via the webcast around the world, or for our engineering team back in Redmond. Thank you for joining us earlier than we've ever asked you to join us before, but we are so honored to be here today and show off, unveil all your hard work. It's hard to believe, but it's only been 10 weeks since we started rolling out Windows 10 around the world. Our team has been humbled by all of the feedback we've received. Over the last year, we've been building and shaping this product with millions of Windows insiders. It's been the best experience for all of us to work together and shape this experience. And now it's just pretty amazing that 110 million devices are now running Windows 10. What have these millions of people been doing with Windows 10? Well, they have viewed 650 billion web pages with our new Microsoft Edge browser. People are having more fun, streaming over 120 years. 120 years of gameplay have been streamed from Xboxes to their new Windows 10 devices. And they're exploring the new, more personal experiences of Windows 10, asking Cortana over 1 billion questions. And these millions of people have not just been upgrading their current devices. The share of Windows devices at retail has grown each month since Windows 10 has been available. And over these 10 weeks, these millions of people have made over 1 billion visits to our Windows App Store. And developers are seeing great engagement from these over 1 billion visits. Developer revenue has increased 4 times since the Windows 10 upgrade started rolling out. We're seeing increased application usage on Windows 10. Netflix users are now spending more time in the Netflix app than the Netflix website. And this early activity is attracting new universal Windows apps to Windows 10. Today, we're very excited to announce that Facebook will be building all new universal Windows apps for Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Additionally, we're excited to see new universal apps for Soda Saga, CBS, Audible, Flipagram, Uber, and many, many more. It's just been it's been so fantastic to work with these great developers on Windows 10. We've also been energized by the response from IT pros. There's now over 8 million business PCs already running Windows 10. Businesses around the world are evaluating the security, identity, and information protection, the simplified management and deployment, and planning the rollout of Windows 10 to their organizations. IT pros are telling us that the security built into Windows 10 is critical to keeping their businesses safe. And the result of this is that our business customers are now moving faster to Windows 10 than they have ever before on any previous release to Windows, with over 50% of our managed customers already starting their Windows 10 trials. Now today, this morning, we're going to start the next chapter for Windows 10 with new devices designed for Windows 10 from partners worldwide and from Microsoft. These new devices have new chips, new hardware, new capabilities like Windows Hello, Cortana, and Continuum, all made possible by Windows 10. We're incredibly excited by this device lineup, with devices designed for the best in entertainment, health, productivity, devices designed for the workplace, for the home, for schools, or on the go. Our partners have built amazing new devices. Over the coming weeks, we'll be joining many of them around the world as they unveil their device lineup. This is the best device lineup we've ever had for Windows from our partners. But this morning, we're here to talk about Microsoft devices. We design our Microsoft devices to create and reinvent categories, like we did with Xbox when we added Xbox Live and enabled a new level of multiplayer gaming. More recently, like we did with Surface when we created the tablet that can replace your laptop. Like we're doing now with phones and Continuum, Surface Hub, and HoloLens. Now, speaking of Xbox, this holiday, we've got an incredible games lineup coming to Xbox One. The greatest games lineup in Xbox history, perhaps in console history. And this holiday, we'll be upgrading all Xbox Ones to Windows 10, enabling a whole new Xbox experience and bringing our Xbox gamers their #1 requested feature, the ability to play their Xbox 360 games on their Xbox One. And there's no better way to play all these games on new limited edition consoles that we are introducing this holiday. These consoles are inspired by this year's biggest titles, like my favorite, the Halo 5 console that will be available October 20th with 1 terabyte of storage for $499. This holiday, we also have a new elite gaming controller, a controller like no other. This is the most advanced gaming controller anyone's ever created, bringing game-changing accuracy and speed to gameplay, not only on your Xbox One, but also on your Windows 10 PC. So now, let me preview our new TV ad for Xbox Gaming that we will launch later this week.
There are those who take steps, and those who make the great leap forward.
Those who stay as they are, and those that become more than they ever thought possible. They compete and are fearless.
There are those satisfied by common pursuits,
And those for whom the extraordinary will never be enough.
So ask yourself, will you step or will you leap?
Now that's what we call console-class graphics. Xbox One is going to bring some serious fun this holiday. Now, speaking of devices that are breaking new ground, let's talk about HoloLens. Instead of immersing yourself in a world of pixels on a screen, HoloLens brings experiences into our real world, opening a new window into the future of personal computing. Whether it's for productivity, design, healthcare, or entertainment, HoloLens creates innovative experiences that are simply not possible on any other device or any other platform. As you've seen all year, we've been so fortunate to work with great partners across many industries. But today, we wanted to try something a little different and show you something we've been developing internally and playing at home with our families. It's an exploration in mixed reality entertainment made possible by HoloLens. Let's take a look.